Welcome to VCG Construction, and if you are anything like me, after Milwaukee's pipeline event that we held here during the hashtag VCG Pipeline Party the other night, your brain started to turn. You started to connect A with B and B with F. It's like connecting the dots, following the breadcrumbs we put together, or at least I put together, in my mind, what you can expect from Milwaukee Tool when it comes to their Gen 4 impact driver. We are going to have, you are going to have, an industry-conquering impact driver. Most torque, most compact. It is obviously stuff that has been reverse engineered from secret laboratories and bases that you've never seen before. But we're going to take a look inside this technology right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store, vcgconstruction.com/store. You can get hats, tech shirts, t-shirts, stickers. Link will be in the description below. Let's get started. This is Milwaukee's Gen 3 impact driver, one of the most compact and powerful impact drivers on the marketplace. The problem is that this impact driver has a slight flaw to it. It sometimes has a habit of letting its bit go. But with the announcement from Milwaukee Tool at their pipeline event about their compact impact wrench, we have some dots, some breadcrumbs to connect. Here's the thing, let's talk about the Gen 3 impact driver first. We have a tool that's only 4.59 inches in length, already the most compact impact driver in its class. Max torque for this impact driver is 2,000 inch-pounds. 2,000 inch-pounds, that's going to be relevant. Write that down. You're going to want to pay attention. 2,000 inch-pounds. It has a max RPM of 3,600. Unbelievable. Impacts per minute is 4,300, industry leading, and it has a 4-mode drive control. It only weighs 2.2 pounds, tool only. If you add a battery, which you have to, it's a cordless tool, it's going to add a little bit depending on which size battery you're using. Now, let's look at the impact wrench, the compact impact wrench that got my brain moving. Is this a preview to the newest impact driver, Gen 4? Is this what we can expect? Well, let's go over what we know about this brand new impact wrench from Milwaukee Tool. It says, Milwaukee Tool continues to transform cordless expectations with the introduction of new go-to impact wrench solutions. Measuring at only 4.8 inches in length and delivering up to 250 pounds of nut-busting torque, Milwaukee's next generation M18 fuel compact impact wrenches deliver the performance needed in tight applications where larger impact wrenches cannot fit. It's hard to believe when you look at the design of this tool and its flat face, it already seems to be a little longer if you compare the specifications. Very important, with this impact wrench release, they're not measuring the torque output like they do with the impact driver in inch-pounds. They're going full foot-pounds. 250 foot-pounds for the incoming impact wrench. Now, what does that mean for the incoming Gen 4 impact driver? Well, we'll tell you in a minute. With the third generation of our M18 fuel compact impact wrenches, we've been able to remove a full inch of length while increasing power, getting users into tighter spaces and eliminating the need to spend time dismantling surrounding components in order to access fasteners, says Eric Rush. This engineering breakthrough will make these the go-to impact wrenches for accessing tight spaces. 4-mode drive control offers greater precision with a range of preset RPM and IPM levels. By selecting mode 4 when the tool is in forward, auto shut-off control applies no more than 20 foot-pounds of torque for hand-tightening fastening applications to prevent over-tightening. When the tool is in reverse, mode 4 delivers bolt removal control, which delivers full torque output, then decreases RPM once the bolt is loosened to prevent fastener drops. For increased visibility in confined and low light workspaces, these tools are also designed with tri-LEDs that deliver brighter light and less shadows. I love the idea of 3 LEDs replacing the single LED on these impacts. Love it. Specifications for the M18 Fuel 3/8 compact impact wrench. This is the friction ring model. It's product number 2854-22. Nut busting torque for that impact wrench is 250 pound-feet. Now, we did the calculations so you don't have to. We told you previously that the Gen 3 impact driver had 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, which, when you convert inch-pounds into pound-feet, converts to 166.6666667 foot-pounds of torque. Knowing that the new impact wrench has 250 pound-feet of torque. That means we're almost 90 foot-pounds of torque more for the impact wrench compared to the Gen 3 impact driver. When we convert, and we're going to do more round numbers here for everybody, but when you convert 250 foot-pounds of torque to inch-pounds, you get to leave it in the comment section below. How many inch-pounds is 250 foot-pounds? Do you know? I will tell you, it's a round number that's higher than Gen 3, obviously. If you did the calculation and you left it in the comments section, you will know that it's even 1,000 pound-feet of torque more than the Gen 3 impact driver. That incoming impact wrench is 3,000 inch-pounds of torque. So, we have 1,000 inch-pounds more of torque. We have 3 LED lights. We have 4 modes, similar to the Gen 3 impact. We have so much going for us, you and me. With the numbers and pictures that have been exposed, have we uncovered everything to determine what the new Gen 4 impact will be? Well, we have to dig a little deeper. The story doesn't end there. The new compact impact wrench delivers 2,400 RPM and 3,500 impacts per minute with that massive 250 foot-pound of torque. The problem is this Gen 3 impact driver delivers 3,600 RPM and 4,300 impacts per minute. That would mean a Gen 4 impact driver based solely on the numbers of the 3/8 compact impact wrench would be more powerful, but slower and providing less impacts. The reality is, to win the game with an impact driver, not wrench, you would want more speed and less torque. Even the highest torque fasteners, like this number 3 Phillips, one of the best fasteners there is for applying torque to, very wide diameter fasteners and screws. The reality of it is, if it had too much torque, and not enough speed, you would run the risk of stripping out the screw or snapping the screw because it's not made to take all of that torque to that smaller fastener compared to a bolt that you're spinning with an impact wrench. So what we believe will happen is they will detune the torque number of the incoming impact wrench and give it more speed. It will be a brushless motor that's designed specifically for Gen 4, as well as an improved collet. You can bet your bottom dollar on that. You heard it here first. Gen 4 will most definitely have 3 LED lights. It will have those 4 speed controls. It's going to have more performance than Gen 3, and it's going to retain its bit. And if you like impact drivers that get the job done and deliver the power and speed that you need while retaining its bit, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It helps out the channel immensely, and you'll receive 7 years of good luck. Also, leave it down in the comments section below. Do you think we're on point with what we're telling you? Do you think we're wrong? Do you think it's going to have a single LED? Is it going to come from the base of the tool instead of around the face instead of the base? Get it? Leave it down below, what you know. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this look into the future. See you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.